Are you looking to continuously secure data collection and analysis to optimize your maintenance schedules, reduce operational costs, and improve fleet reliability? We introduce you COSAMIRA, a complete proven solution for train and track condition-based maintenance. This means you can now access all essential data in one place. COSAMIRA is built on more than 25 years of experience and in cooperation with major train builders. Also, it uses internal accelerometers and gyroscopes to collect and analyze safety data with exceptional capability. As a result, safety and maintenance monitoring is combined in one unified package for maximum return on investment. Not unimportant, interaction or integration with legacy systems is supported. With COSAMIRA, you will be able to monitor wheel flatness, detect anomalies, and much more. In a nutshell, it has been designed for the demands of daily train operations in all environmental conditions and on all types of trains. Are you interested to know more? Book your demo now or contact us at televic.com/televicgsp.